it's Rachel with RE/MAX up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through 404 San Martin over in Big Bear City area of Big Bear Lake. So come check this one out. This one is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, fully renovated house on the inside. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are, 404 San Martin. Got beautiful white front, black trim, rock on the bottom part. Property line gonna be in the telephone pole. This all looks brand new. And your mailbox is probably gonna be one of these. Yeah, that white one right there. So a newer roof on this one. This one is listed by Oakview Real Estate, Brian Gilligan. And they are the owners of the home too. And then we do have a fenced lot and property line going to kind of be right around here. And another great thing is you've got, you know, it's a good primary home neighborhood, some secondary homes around here, maybe the occasional vacation rental, but mostly primary homes. So fully fenced for kids, dogs, anything like that. They did a great job on this. And it almost looks like this used to be a garage, maybe? Because that room is big enough to be a garage. And so here we are in the yard. We do have grass, we do have irrigation. That same, it's a different rock on the fireplace as on the front of the house. But the roof looks pretty new. And I love the fact that it has gutters too. So coming in, got this nice covered entryway. Keep snow, rain, ice off of you as you're coming home. Nice redwood. And so this is what leads me to believe that this was a garage at one point in time, because you do have the door going in over here. It's also the size of a garage. Seems like 2 cars could easily fit in there. We do have double pane windows with the grids on the inside of them. Nice grate. Wipe your feet off. Look how charming it is. So in here we do have laminate hardwood floors, central heating. So coming in to the right, we're gonna go living room, kitchen, dining room. To the left, hallway, bedrooms. And then here is that bonus room. So we'll go there last. This one, the square footage that we've got on file is 1,700, and then it is a 7,200 square foot lot. So the other thing too is that, the other thing I was going to tell you is that this one just got lowered to 549 as well. Oh wow, I didn't even see this thing yet. Wow. That is very creepy. And then behind that is a gas starter right there. But the interesting thing is we've got this blower and this fireplace right here with a plug-in. So really I don't think you're gonna need that because there's no gas starter right there. Nicely decorated and staged too. Looks like a lot of it came from like House and Home, some Marshall stuff. So coming into the kitchen, one thing to note, we've got laminate flooring on the wall. Oh, this is kind of like a vinyl on the walls too. But very nicely done. Nice appliances. I love the countertop here too. Super cute. And we'll go outside at the very end of the tour. I don't know where this is from. So here we are in the first bedroom. This is a king-size bed. Oh, they have this thing all the way furnished. I like all the use of the whites, the grays, it's really pretty. So this is laundry connection, so you could get a stackable in here. And then another thing is that the water heater is in here. You could also do, this one's over 10 years old. So if it were me, I would probably replace that with a tankless here pretty soon. And then we're gonna go into the bathroom. Same countertops as in the kitchen, or same kind of color, but it's not the actual same. Water is off. Just beautiful brown laminate floors. I like how this tub is done too. It's a plastic tub, but it kind of bows out just a little bit. And then another thing to note, they've got like the overflow is a lot prettier than other bathrooms that I've seen. And then this is kind of textured. It's pretty. Tile and subway tile. Nice door. It's a cute little pop out. I'm gonna go into bedroom number 2. This one's gonna be a king bed too. Carpet in this bedroom. Nice little bay window pop out right here, kind of overlooking the backyard. Oh, they got it from Jerry's. I've never heard of Jerry's. Ooh, it's chilly in here. Closet. And then they do have access in the attic right here. And then carpet. So there's carpet in all 3 bedrooms. I just missed pointing that out in that first bedroom. So this one's gonna be the master. King bedroom. Got good space on each side for the end tables. Do have dual pane windows here, but these are not with grids in it. And this is that vinyl flooring too. It gives it a nice accent wall though. Very cute. And for $549, like this is a deal for getting a 3-bed, 2-bath, and potentially a 2-car garage if you wanted to undo it. So this does seem to be the same countertop as in the kitchen. So same subway tile with like an iridescent kind of gray subway tile. And then nice stone on the ground. On the shower part. It's kind of like a matted stone too. And nickel fixtures in here. And the same lamp as in the other bathroom too. Very cute, very cute. So next we're gonna go, let's go to the spare room. So here you can see, I'm just about 100% sure this used to be a garage. Just the fact that you step down into it. It's finished off very nicely. Let me turn that fan off. Do have this access. This also tells me it used to be a garage, but it's finished off so nicely that it's hard to tell. I want that fan off. Yeah, there we go. Hard to tell that it was ever a garage just because the outside looks so finalized as not having a garage door there ever. Especially with that rock work. But this is a huge room. 2-car garage, obviously. Makes for a nice game room if you were to rent it out. That's a fun piece. Authentic map of California. Old missions, lost mines, ghost towns, and early trails. So we are, San Bernardino, Doble right there. Lost Foundation Mine too. Fun little piece of history. So this is going to be what probably used to be was like a utility room where the furnace was. There is access to the attic through here too. And on this side, it does make for, and it is heated in here too. Like that's another good bonus. And then here we've got laundry. It's kind of nice the laundry being out here, then you don't have to have a stackable, but to each their own. And being a part of the house already, I mean, you're not walking much farther from where it used to be. So let's go now to the outside. We've got 2 different access points going outside. One through the dining room, one through the kitchen. And so here's that front yard again. And then you've got a gate to go to your neighbor's house. Which is always funny. I've been so curious about that. Why do people have gates that lead to their neighbors? I think I should maybe make a video about it. And so here we have shed outside. I'm curious. I'll go down there. I could put a nice garden back here. Got a 6-foot tall fence. This is painted the same as the house. Could make something cool out of it, or just keep it as a shed. Okay, that is it. White and black. It's really pretty, very well maintained. $549. You could easily bring it back to having a garage if you wanted to. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you later. Bye.